a lot of people have done well in the stock market over the past year. The stock market has gone up quite a bit. But I want to urge all of you, please, to be careful and not be short-term focused. There's a reason why we can't name that many successful traders out there, because they don't really exist. What happens is you get fooled by randomness if you start buying stocks for the first time and do exceptionally well. Don't trade. Be a long-term investor. The worst thing that can happen to you is you walk into a casino, and the first bet you make in a casino, you make money off of. That's what trading is. It's random, because every month has got 20 weekdays, right? 20 days the markets are open, and random stuff can happen. And you get fooled by randomness if you think you can make money over and over and over again in the short run. Maybe you can make a bit, but I promise you, the biggest winners in every portfolio for people that are long-term focused come down to one or two ideas every single year where you basically tell yourself, I love this stock and this company so much, I've done my research, and I don't care if the stock market is closed for 10 years, I'm never selling this stock. In fact, that's what Warren Buffett says. Whenever he buys a stock, he assumes the market is going to be closed for 10 years. Now, of course, it won't be closed for 10 years, but that's how long-term focused you have to be. Otherwise, it's like going to Las Vegas or Macau, or just going to a casino in general. The longer the view, the wiser the intention, which is what Warren Buffett said. Now, in my MBA degree program, I arm you with a ton of different tools or arrows in your arsenal or quiver, so to speak,